Hey guys, it's Kevin here. If you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of products that I find useful and helpful in my life, and I like to share them with you. So please do hit that subscribe button, like, and share the video if you think any of them are helpful. Today I'm here to talk to a product that is going to get you your backyard back. So, who's it getting it back from? The blood-sucking mosquitoes is who it's going to get you back from. So this is kind of one of those summer things that has taken off this year. Everybody's been talking about it, and so I picked it up and I decided to give it a try, and I've been testing it for the last few months. It is the Patio egg. So here's the box. You can buy this at a lot of major retailers, Amazon, directly from them. What it is essentially is in the box. This is what it looks like. It comes with this little mesh thing that you can hang it from. Obviously, you can ditch the mesh and just have the egg sitting on your table or whatnot. But I choose to hang it. I hang it under my eave, tucked in the corner, and where it's out from direct water exposure. So how does this all work? So the key is it's natural oils that they use to repel the mosquitoes. But before we go into this, a few things that I've discovered here that that need to talk about. So obviously, I like to hang it because I feel it gets it gets more exposure but you can also put it on your table with no issues. It covers about 200 square feet. So take that as you will. It's not going to cover your whole backyard, but it'll cover your patio, it'll cover your front door. So I have it where it's set in my house. It's kind of close to my back door to kind of deter those mosquitoes from coming in. I live in the South, so as soon as, March basically rolls around, the mosquitoes come out and they're here until basically November. So anything I can do to get my summer back and get my backyard under control I will try anything. So, and I've been pretty impressed with this. I also have citronella candles and plants and all kinds of stuff. But this has so far been working great. If you have it outside, I can't stress this enough. Like if it's sitting on your patio and you have a covered patio, it's great. If you have a table that's sitting out exposed to the elements, you got to keep rainwater out of it. It can get wet. That's no big deal. So if you have a fluke hard-blowing storm in, that's great. That's not a big deal. But it can't be direct water because while it doesn't hurt the product, it's going to dilute basically the oils. And the oils are diluted, then it's not going to work properly. So what it is, you fill the little lid here, and then the oils absorb into the ceramic. Good test to know that it's working. Like I can smell it right now. It has a very distinct smell. And that's what's getting mosquitoes away. If the egg dries out, a lot of people are like, oh crap, they recommend you have to refill it every 2 weeks. And you may, after a couple days, you'll notice there's no fluid in there. Well, that's perfectly normal. The reason that is because it's being absorbed into the ceramics. The oil's not coming out the hole at the top. So that's something to note. And then you get a bottle of this. This product will last all summer, but they also sell the refill. So you get a standard cup here, which everybody should be used to. It's basically a standard drug cup here, and then you fill 25 milliliters up of the natural mosquito oils here, and that's basically it. And then it deters them. It won't deter all of them, so don't anticipate that this product's going to get rid of all the mosquitoes. But I have noticed it's greatly reduced them. We have all kinds down here where I live: tiger mosquitoes, standard mosquitoes, etc. It does not deter, other bugs. I've seen a lot of posts of, well, why isn't this deterring, gnats or the fruit flies or wasps or bees? That's not what it's meant for. It's meant for getting rid of mosquitoes, and that's purely what it's formulated to do. So if you are looking to help reduce mosquitoes in your backyard and so you can get your backyard back, I recommend it. I give it a good thumbs up here, and I find it very useful. The oil's is not cheap for the refills, but like I said, it lasts you. it should last all summer here with just that jar. So that's basically it. Like I said, if you like this video, please do hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. I review all kinds of stuff. And feel free to comment. I do respond most of the time. And most importantly, share the video if you got somebody that you think it would be in need for this product. So until the next one, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.